Well, it's Friday once again, and we are here for our second episode of Food Truck Face Off with me, Bruce, your host of my odd journey. That's not what we're looking for right now. We're looking for a food truck called Funky Chicken. So let's go. Food has arrived. Let's find some shelter because I'm freezing my balls off. Extra, you can hear my colleague slurping away at his burger. Fantastic. Chicken over rice, New York style, with extra hot sauce and extra Reaper sauce, their very own recipe. I had a taste before, and it is glorious. Just look at this. I mean, come on. Let's have a taste. Is this spicy or is it not? Is it nothing or buzzing? Let's have a try. Damn. Damn. It's a nice sting to it. That perfect kind of heat stays in your mouth, but doesn't destroy the taste. This is straight off the streets of New York, man. I'm telling you. Gonna show down on this, and then I'm getting back to you guys. Shut up. Almost done. This is sweet, tasty, some sourness to it. It's almost like a nasi goreng. It's excellent. The pure taste of it all, I'm giving it a solid 9. The heat, I'd say an 8, actually, which is good, because you know your boy Bruce loves it spicy. Make sure to check in next week when we do the final episode of this 3-week special of fast food. No, not that. Food truck face off, and crown our winner of the 3. I don't know, you other guys better watch out, because that chicken, damn. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, put on your notification, give this a thumbs up if you liked it. Share this with all of your friends and family and your enemies. I don't really care. And I'll catch you next week for the big finale. All right, you say so. Ciao!